This tutorial is to show you how I would take my ideas from my manufacturing drawing and convert that into a planning document. So the first step is to just decide what are the different parts you have to make. So I'm going to have to make this front face here, which is going to be black acrylic, and it's going to have holes in it with the shape of climbers. I'm going to have to make this white piece of acrylic that's going to go behind that black piece. And then on my side view here, you can see how they all go together a bit more. So I'm going to have the front piece there, then I'm going to have it glued to a piece of acrylic there. And then on the back here, I'm going to have my stand. So that's going to be two pieces of plywood like that with a fin sticking out. And I did a side view here so you could kind of see. So those two bits of plywood are going to kind of make that shape. And then this here is this fin sticking out here. So I'm going to have to make each of those separately. So the question is, what am I going to make first? I think probably I will focus on the aesthetics first. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to so actually, now I think about it, the first thing I'm going to do is I got to put these pictures of the climbers on here because I'm just going to use the clock template from the tutorials already. So first thing I need to do is I need to find climber pictures and make them SVG files. Okay. So I'll worry about the process later. So then the next thing I need to do is import the pictures into, so then I need to import pics to Fusion and turn them into holes. Okay, and we'll come back a little bit and I'll talk about the process. So that should get that done. Then what I need to do is I need to make this white disk. So then I'm going to make white background disk. Maybe I'll put it, yeah, disk. And actually I know that's going to be acrylic already, so I'm going to make this white acrylic. And this is going to be black acrylic. So then once I've done that, then what I need to do is I need to add on. So I'm going to use the ring shape already from the tutorial, but now what I need to do is I need to add on the this triangular stand to ring 2 and ring 3, I think it is. So turn rings 2 and 3 into triangular stand. And then the final step is going to be I need to create the fin, create back fin at 90 degrees. Okay. So that's okay. Then I also need to change appearance of the parts so they look realistic, and I can sort of see what my final clock's going to look like. So the two rings, this is going to be 3 mm ply. And this is going to be 3 mm ply. Okay, so I think I'm going to stop there with this tutorial. The next tutorial I will work on the process.